In this video, we will demonstrate how to use AI to automatically generate DTO classes to consume JSON in a C# project using the JetBrains AI Assistant and Writer. To begin, find your JSON and copy it to your clipboard. For this example, have navigated to JSONAPI.org, and I will be copying the JSON example from their homepage. Once you have that ready, open up your C# project in Writer. I have opened a plain console application. Click the prompt at the bottom of the AI Assistant window and type "Write a C# DTO class for the following JSON," and then make a new line and paste your JSON into the prompt. Once ready, click Send or hit Enter. The AI Assistant will immediately start setting up your C# classes as needed for the provided JSON. Let's review what it wrote. It provided all of the classes in one C# file and an explanation as to what it did. It also provides a line to show how to create an object from these classes using the JSON string that was provided. Go back to the top of the C# code example with the classes and make sure you have your project selected in the Solution Explorer. Then click the little button with the document that has a plus sign in it on the top right of the C# code example to add the new file with the code the AI Assistant generated to your project. Now you are all set and will be able to deserialize the JSON string using the one-line example at the bottom of the query. This is an incredibly powerful way to deal with integrating APIs or other data sets that largely deal with JSON data. Thanks for watching.